Once you've built your app on Hostinger Horizons and you want to connect it with your NameCheap domain, what you need to do first is on the top right corner, first publish it. Before it was called deploy, now it's called publish. And now it's published successfully. And it currently shows my domain that I've already connected. But if I go into another one like this web app, this one, and I click on publish here, it's going to show like this with hostingersite.com and the subdomain. You can view the site from here like that, and you can check out your app. And if you want to learn how to make an app like this and connect it with Supabase, I have a tutorial that is going to pop up at the end of this video. There will be a playlist on the right. You can check it out from there. Now, once published, you can click on Get Domain from here, which is going to take you over to this page over here. And if you have already got an Hostinger domain, if you bought a web hosting plan or something and you got a Hostinger domain, you can just select from here. It's going to pop up below it and you can select from there. Or in your edit page, click on this on the top left and then go to your projects. Inside your projects on the left hand side in websites list, you'll find all your web apps that you have created. This is for AI website builder, this icon, and this is for the Hostinger Horizons. So over here, you can click on change domain and it's going to give you the same pop-up that happened before. Now on this, you need to enter in the domain name. So here, if you've already got a domain with Hostinger, because maybe you got the web hosting plan from them and they do provide a free domain. So it's going to be here and you can connect it just by clicking on it. But we are connecting our NameCheap domain. So we need to type in the domain name that we got on NameCheap. So I'm going to type in a domain name. I'm going to go over to NameCheap and I'm going to connect this one. So I'm going to click it here and paste it. I'm going to copy from here and paste it by Control-C and Control-V on your keyboard. Now I'm going to click on this first one because I own this domain. So I'm going to click here. And it's going to say that you'll need to connect it manually. Okay, next. Now it says that domain is added to your site. I'm going to click on continue. We are not done yet. This is just the domain that's been added. Now we need to go over on the left hand side and go to domains and domain portfolio. It's also saying here that domain is not connected. You can refresh the domain status from here. So let's go over to domain portfolio, go down, scroll down, and you're going to find external domains. Inside it, we will see shopifybasics.co, and on the right hand side, we got check guide, edit DNS, manage website. We're going to click on edit DNS, and it's going to say that your domain is not connected to Hostinger. We're going to click on connect domain, and it's going to give us this pop-up. We can just input these two name servers over on our NameCheap. So I can go inside it and go to manage on the right hand side. Then inside here in the name servers, I can click it, the drop down and the custom DNS. Now inside the name server 1 and 2, I just need to copy it from here, the name server 1, paste it, and the name server 2, copy it and paste it over here. Now click on this save button to save it. This way, what's going to happen is, instead of changing the DNS settings inside here in the NameCheap, you'll be able to do all that inside Hostinger. So if I close this and I change the domain to Event Remedia because I've got this connected with name servers, so I'm going to show you what happens. Actually, no, I've got this other one connected, not this one. My bad. I'm going to connect to Gamers Lantern, this other one. And over here, we can see that we've got the DNS records inside it. All the DNS records. Now I can add a new record from here. So I can change the A record, make it CNAME, etc. The A points to, and then add record. And if you do not want Hostinger to get access to your DNS records and you do not want it all on this platform, you want to separate the risk, you want to have your DNS records on NameCheap itself with the domain. In order to do that, we're going to use the other feature. So we're going to go over to Shopify Basics again and connect domain. Scroll down, you'll find this whole text and you will see this a record method instead. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to enter in these two records, the a records. These are two different a records. We're going to copy it, go over here in the domains, make it NameCheap basic DNS. Now, on the top right, we're going to click on advanced DNS, and inside it, in the host records, we're going to click on add new record, a record. We're going to go back, click on this first one, copy, paste it. Second one, paste it in the IP address, this value field, and the TTL, which is 14,400. We're going to make it automatic, and the other one as well. A record, www for the host, and points to over here. Now, once both of them are done, you can click on save all changes, or you can click on the separate save icons. Once that's done, we're going to go over here again, back to our Hostinger Connect page, and click on this. I've added the A records, and then click on finish. Now it's going to say if you have changed your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon, but it can take up to 24 to 48 hours to propagate, and that will happen. It's also going to say over here when you do it. Now click close, and let's go back to the main menu, go to websites, websites list, and we've got this over here. We're going to click on refresh domain status, and it says that it's available. It's going to be available every 2 minutes. You can refresh it. So I found that the propagation happens fast. Sometimes it takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Sometimes it takes around 15 to 30 minutes. But let's click on this to check it out. It currently says that it's Shopify Basics-Go. It's a preview domain, and that's fine. If you go over to Shopify Basics.go, domain, which are connected to the NameCheap, is ready. We've got the app, the AI app that we built on Hostinger Horizons, connected to our domain, and it's ready. We can move around here, change things, add an image, and it works. And that's it. That's how you can connect your domain, NameCheap domain, to Hostinger Horizons. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And if you did found this helpful, and make sure to go over to Horizons through my link in the description and check out one of these plans. And if you buy any of them, it's going to help me out with a small commission. Also, there will be a pop-up playlist on the right-hand side. You can check out all my Hostinger Horizon tutorials there. See you there. Bye for now.